Hi everyone. Again. Hey everyone, Tishan again from Redline Technologies, and today we'll be taking a look at something a little different. This is by Wacom and it's called the Bamboo Slate. It is essentially a digital notebook. You can essentially use this product to make illustrations of anything you like on any A4 sized paper and then transfer that to your mobile device. It supports iOS and Android, and all of your illustrations can be exported to Dropbox, Evernote and OneNote. What else? It requires you to install the app that Wacom has put out. It's called Inkspace Basic. So you'll have to download that onto your Android or iOS device. Cow, please try not to die. Okay, let's take a look at what the Bamboo Slate looks like. So open that seal. Let's pull this out. Oh. Next to no friction on this table. Makes it very difficult to open. Okay. It's nice and easy packaging. Right. That's the unit itself. And it comes with a micro USB cable, the stylus or pen that will be used, yeah, and some documentation. So I think this is a how-to guide and some warranty information and a tiny sachet of, what is this? Oh, this is a replacement stylus. It's very cool. And a wedding ring, just in case you have to draw your own wife. So they've included this notebook, which I think is reusable. Once you draw on it, if you use the pen that they've included, you can remove the ink marks that are on the page itself by microwaving the book. But don't quote me on that. I know that's similar to the Rocketbook. The Rocketbook can do this, but whether the Bamboo Slate can is a different matter altogether. What? Why do I keep having... Why? Why is this happening? Dude, really? Can you open this for me? So you don't have to use the included notebook with that necessarily. You can use any sheet of A4 paper. The effective area that it will record your etchings is demarcated by a stitched line around the pad. You just place your A4 sheet on top of it, and I previously downloaded the Inkspace app on my phone. It's available on the Android Play Store. So let me just fire up the Inkspace app. Try not to make a typo. Yeah, Inkspace. And Bamboo Paper. Just giving me a download. All right. So we click Create Your First Note. Click Let's Go. Write or sketch. So it's just Redline is awesome. And we just press this button here. Next. Yep, that transfers instantly onto your mobile device. If you want to make another drawing, anything you want. Oh man, my smiley face is the most sinister smiley face ever. Just press the button, sync button. And in due time, yes, it transfers onto your mobile device. So that's very cool. So if you're, let's say an illustrator, I think can see multiple uses for this. If you're a writer or a designer, especially for designers, if you want to make a quick transfer of one of your designs. Should I just try designing a dress or something? Let's try designing a dress. Like that. Wow, it's harder than it looks, no? That's my dress. And yep, instantly transfers. The pressure levels are another thing we should test out. So I'm gonna make a few illustrations of some lines. So I'm gonna use the pen really hard here, hard, and then softer. Let's see if it captures the softest. Let's see how much of that it actually captured. Whoa. Okay, it captured all of them, except that one which I broke. I broke the line a little bit, but it captured. Okay, let's just try really light. Wow, what? That's pretty crazy. Yep, and I wasn't even pressing onto the pad much. Let's see that squiggle? Whoa, that's very cool. So that's our overview of the Wacom Bamboo Slate. For more videos, please make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on Facebook for the latest product updates. End scene. Dude, that's sick, man!